C-Squared Technologies, in partnership with the United States Air Force School of Aerospace Medicine, has developed a highly interactive web-based site assessment training for delivery to bioenvironmental engineering personnel. BESA 1 is primarily designed for B personnel participating in upgrade training. However, with its topic-based unit-level design, the course can also serve as ancillary training associated with the Readiness Skills Verification Program.
I received an email yesterday from the Range Squadron Commander letting us know they set up a new mobile radar unit that will be fully operational in a few days. I'm a bit concerned because the radar site is near the dining facility. I need you to conduct an RFR risk assessment to determine whether personnel around the dining hall will be exposed to RFR levels above the Pell.
BESA 1 combines traditional web-based training techniques with experiential scenario-based teaching in an engaging distance learning environment. This problem-centered approach to learning enhances the student's ability to apply the concepts presented in the course. You continue your reconnaissance by driving around the perimeter of the base. After stopping at the bottom of a hill just outside the base, you exit the vehicle and walk to the top. Standing on the hill allows you to obtain a good view of the layout of the base. Because you're making recommendations for a medical facility, you know that you must identify a site that is easily accessible to patients, not close to tactical targets, and located upwind from the decon site. Based on all the information gathered to this point and the available locations, it looks like Site B is your best option. As you can see, animation and audio are used throughout every lesson to enhance realism and keep the participants interested.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jernigan. I'm with the B office, and I'd like to ask you a few questions about the odor you and your crew have noticed on the golf course.
Well, I really don't know much about it. I haven't smelled it personally. You'll want to talk to Jamie Tucker about that. She's mentioned the smell a few times. Oh, and Bob Andrews. He seems to think there used to be a landfill over here.
Okay, I think that'll do it. Thanks for the memo. No problem. So how do we do? Is our new grinder a health threat?
Several types of appraisal and scenario challenge point questions are used throughout the course to help students check their understanding of the content. Using a variety of question styles keeps students engaged in the content, which makes it easier to retain the information. In addition to self-check questions embedded throughout each lesson, every unit is concluded with a game-styled progress check. A score of at least 70% must be earned on the progress check for the unit to be marked as complete. If BESA 1 is being taken for upgrade training, each unit has to be completed before the student can take the final exam. These progress checks provide great practice for the final. Most importantly, the progress checks help ensure transfer of learning to the students. Other key features of the BESA 1 course include the resources pages and the lesson summaries. A resources page is included with every unit, providing links to important documents and listings of other references relevant to the topics covered in the unit. Lesson summaries provide an important wrap-up for the students before moving on to the next topic. At C-Squared, we believe in treating every learning opportunity as a new adventure. Let us help bring your distance learning to a whole new level.